Hey you guys, this is Uncle P, and I'm showing you some live trades that I'm in. I just wrapped up class and I introduced our new product, which is our 2EZ system. And so this can be added to any trading system you have, market makers method, Elliott wave theory, whatever. You can add this product to it, and it's going to really give you a behind the scenes of where the buyers and sellers are, so that you're always really understanding that you're on the right side of the trade. This is one of the missing ingredients to traders in the market, because when you're jumping in, whether you're scalping, day trading, or swing trading, you're not sure whether you're going with the flow of the main players or not. With this tool, as you can see, I'm very clear. It comes with this one and this one. So this is an additional product that you can purchase to add on to the Simplicity system. So as you can see right here, the arrow came in, everything looks good on the Simplicity system. And then with this, I knew with confidence. I've already taken 9 trades this week. I couldn't record everything because I've been working on getting the product page ready for this add-on product. But as you can clearly see, it told you only sell, only sell. And as you can see, look at there. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Very easy to trade. No guessing, no guesswork. Here's another one I'm in. See? Glance at this. I know who's in charge. Simplicity said get in on it. And there you go. And this is really wonderful for swing traders because you can take these trades and go on about your business. Okay, now again, it does work if you're a scalper. These time frames right here, you can switch them out as customizable. You can put the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, whatever you want. Totally up to you, and trade accordingly. Okay, it's totally up to you. Totally up to you. Let's drop to the 5 minute and take a look for an example of this. And there goes my scanner. Okay. Now, currently it's saying, okay, this is a buy currently coming in. Okay, but would I take this? No, I'm not ready to do that because, and it can go for a few pips, don't get me wrong. But what if you would have scalped off the 5 minute here because you knew where the sellers were? Okay, and look at this. This thing moved from here off to here. And let me shrink it a bit so you guys can see. And let me unlock it. And there we go. All right. So as you can see here, and I have several programs running in the background, so my computer's running a little bit slow, but you can clearly see it right there. There we go. Okay, right there. So yes, I see there's a buy opportunity, but it's very temporary. So if you're a scalper, yeah, go ahead and take it. But if you're a swing trader, you know, hang on. This is just going to be a short pullback. But if you would have scalped using the 5 minute, take a look at this move here. From here, it did try to pull back on you, but the beast told you, stay in the trade. And that's the other thing. They helped you to avoid fake moves, okay? 40, just basically close to 50 pips, 48 pips off the 5 minute time frame. How did you know? It was telling you right here. So for me, I like using this, you know, as a swing trader. See? So 5 minutes, yes, you get pullbacks, you get those things. So if that's what you want to use it for, it's perfect. But if you're a swing trader or you're on the go and you want to hold a trade, look at this opportunity. So when this was green, this showed up. And guess what, market makers? Take a look at this. Bam. Bam. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Let's put another one. And there we go. Can you see it? Boom, there it was. But our system said, wait a minute. And good thing you did. See the pullback, and then boom, there it was, and it took off. How do we know? This was green at the time, and therefore everything lined up. There you go. There you go. So all you have to do is take a quick glance. Your analysis time is going to be cut short, very quick. Why? Because I take a glance at this, then with the Simplicity system added, there we go. See, red arrow, red algorithmic trend line, red, 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 momentum below the 100. I'm good to go. Easy trading. So this is our add-on product. So if you buy the Simplicity system, make sure to pick up this add-on product, and I guarantee this will pay for itself right away, very, very quickly. Okay, it's just easy money, just a no-brainer trading system. Okay, just an absolute no-brainer. Okay, just easy. See, and you can. Oh, I forgot to make sure one more thing. This is a 4/7/21. So it's the 7th of April when I'm recording this. So you can go back and check your own charts just to verify. So as you can see, I'm clearly, because I see who's in charge, this is the other confusion that happens. How long can I stay in the trade and know for sure? Well, so y'all don't get wooed out of my trades because of these little pullbacks. Why? Here's my target down here. Because I know who's in charge. Clearly. What if you would have rolled this one here and stayed in it to its completion? That would have been 119 pips. How about that? So yeah, this was at 20 pips. Okay, that's nice, but I'm going to stay in it. I'm going to wait. Let's go back to my other one. 38 pips. What if you would have stayed in this one? Just absolutely easy trading. 151 pips. So yes, I'm in 38 pips. My first take profit is sitting right here. And then I have another one. I'm going to wait it out. Just let it ride. Let it ride. Just easy money. Look at this. Just clear, 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 clear. Very clear. So pick it up. It's hot. So once you purchase the Simplicity system, pick up this add-on. It's only 99 bucks extra to add it on. But again, this gives you a window into where the buyers and sellers are in the market. So you are not guessing anymore, and you can trade with confidence. So these are live trades. I'm telling you, I'm just excited for everybody. Let's get this money, everybody. Let's get this money.